Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I will explain what Safe Mode means for WordPress and why it helps. Install and use the Health Check plugin to access troubleshooting mode that isolates components. Troubleshooting acts like a safe mode by disabling plugins and themes only for your session. This keeps the public site functioning normally while you diagnose problems. You must be an administrator to enable troubleshooting mode for your account. Follow the steps in the next slides to install, activate, and use this feature safely. Open your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Health Check, look for the plugin from the WordPress org listing, and install it. After installation, click Activate to enable the plugin for your site immediately. Open Tools and select Health Check to view plugin features and the troubleshooting button. Always create a full site backup before installing or activating plugins to prevent data loss or downtime. From Health Check, click the Troubleshooting button to enter an isolated diagnostic session. This session affects only your administrator view and leaves the public site untouched. Use the Enable button next to each plugin to selectively activate components and reproduce the issue. Switch the theme to a default theme within the session to test for theme conflicts. Once you find the conflict, deactivate or update the faulty plugin or theme. Click Exit Troubleshooting to restore normal behavior for all visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.